Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the JLPT test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 JLPT questions later. If you are interested in writing kanji neatly, I added stroke order clips very end of this video. You can watch and learn how you can improve your kanji style. We are going to follow these 5 steps. それでは始めましょう。These are the today's kanji. Today's theme is you add something on number 84's kanji. The meaning of this kanji is king. On is o. There's no kun for this kanji. Radical is this one. The meaning of this kanji is gem, jewel, ball. On is gyoku. Kun is tama. Radical is this kanji. Take a look at this. There's a dot at the lower right corner. The meaning of this kanji is main or master. On is shu. Kun is omo. Nushi. Radical is ten. Ten means dot in Japanese. Take a look at this kanji. There's a dot on top. The meaning of this kanji is country. On is koku. Kun is kuni. This is the radical. There is a tama inside of the box. Today I'm going to share some techniques that you can actually guess what the word means by looking at the kanji. On the left side it says koku-o, and then you can actually turn into kunyomi like kuni no o. The meaning is king. It makes sense. So sometimes you can actually guess the meaning of the kanji even though you don't know the word. We will practice this technique today. Next is sentence. 日本には国王はいないが天皇がいる。There is no king in Japan. 日本には国王はいないが but there is an emperor. Emperor is 天皇。天皇がいる。What about your country? あなたの国には国王がいますか? Next, prince. Look at the kanji on the left. Oji. Oji. And then take a look at the right. O no ko. Prince. Makes sense. The sentence. ヘンリー王子とメーガン妃. Next, 王国. Turn into kunyomi. 王の国. Kingdom. Makes sense. Sentence. デンマーク王国の人口は約570万人。Denmark, デンマーク王国 has a population 人口 about 約 5.7 million 570万人。デンマーク王国の人口は約570万人。Next, 帰国する turn into 訓読み国に帰る return, come back to one's country Makes sense. Sentence. 月曜日に帰国する予定です。I plan to 予定です。return 帰国する月曜日に on Monday 月曜日に帰国する予定です。Next 外国人外国人 turn into 訓読み外の国の人 The meaning foreigners makes sense. The sentence 外国人に優しい日本語で話します。I speak 話します。Easy Japanese 優しい日本語で to foreigners 外国人に外国人に優しい日本語で話します。Next 国際国際 international sentence 国際大学に行きたいと思っています。I'm thinking about 思っています。going to international university 国際大学に行きたい。国際大学に行きたいと思っています。Next 主なmain sentence この話の主なポイントは3つです。There are three main points. 主なポイントは3つです。In this story, この話の主なポイントは3つです。主として、for the most part, sentence. これは主として外国人が漢字を勉強するためのビデオです。This is mainly これは主として for foreigners 外国人が to study 漢字を勉強するためのビデオです。主張する主張する assert, insist sentence クラスで自分の意見を主張する assert 主張する my opinion 自分の意見 in class クラスで自分の意見を主張する fried eggs 卵焼き sunny side up fried eggs 目玉焼き目玉 means eyeballs sentence 朝ごはんは目玉焼きとトーストを食べた I ate 食べた sunny side up eggs 目玉焼き and toast トースト for breakfast 朝ごはんは目玉焼きとトーストを食べた Polka dot is 水玉模様 The sentence 水玉模様のスカートを買いました。I bought 買いました。A polka dot skirt 水玉模様のスカート。水玉模様のスカートを買いました。Owner 持ち主持つ is have 主 is owner so 持ち主 owner makes sense sentence あの赤い車の持ち主は誰ですか Who is 誰ですか The owner 持ち主 of that red car あの赤い車の持ち主は誰ですか The last one. This is the expression for a person who can't stick to anything. 三日坊主 日坊主 sentence 私は何をしても三日坊主だ。I can't stick to whatever I do. Whatever I do, 私は何をしても I can't stick to 三日坊主だ。私は何をしても三日坊主だ。Are you 三日坊主? I hope not. Step 3 Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. Prince 王子 King 国王 Return home 帰国 International 国際 Eggs 卵 Polka dot 水玉三日坊主 Owner 持ち主 Foreigners 外国人 Assert, insist 主張する JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。Across, stop, the middle, attach, go down, across, stop. Across, stop, attach, go down, across, this is longer, and then you dot here. Dot, across, attach, go down, across, longer. Go down, attach, across, go down, inside, across, attach, go down, across, and dot, and close the box.